Hey Recover fan, this is Taylor Schneider, your lead sports dietitian. Today we're at Trader Joe's. We're going to show you the top anti-inflammatory foods to prevent your inflammation. Come along with us. So here we have organic strawberries. So strawberries is actually better to buy organic than non-organic because they are one of the dirty dozen. The dirty dozen are the top 12 types of produce found to have the highest levels of pesticide residue. These 12 types of produce should be bought in its organic form in order to alleviate pesticide consumption. This is raw apple cider vinegar. This is rich in probiotics, can help boost stomach acid, and is used to treat a wide variety of inflammatory conditions. So here we have some organic ginger. So this contains an anti-inflammatory compound called gingerol, which actually inhibits pro-inflammatory molecules from forming. Gingerols can alleviate inflammation given their ability to inhibit the activation of protein kinase B and nuclear factor, causing a decrease in pro-inflammatory and an increase in anti-inflammatory cytokines. So here we have a pineapple. Pineapples contain bromelain, which is a known anti-inflammatory and helps promote protein digestion. Bromelain is a type of enzyme called a proteolytic enzyme. It is found in pineapple juice and in the pineapple stem. Bromelain causes the body to make substances that fight pain and swelling. Oh. Well, while the occasional glass is okay, alcohol actually increases the production of C-reactive protein known as CRP, which is a marker of inflammation. So be sure to keep those glasses on the low. Heavy alcohol consumption contributes to systematic inflammation by interfering with the body's natural defenses against the influx of gut microbiota and its products, causing increased CRP. Welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. This is Taylor Schneider, your lead sports dietitian here at Recover. First, we are tasting the Papa Dunn's Lentil and Chickpea Crisp from Trader Joe's. Only a few ingredients, so let's see how this tastes. The smell, 4 out of 10. Okay. This is a pretty good snack. I can picture this dipping into a fresh guacamole or even a kind of Greek yogurt based dip. I feel like this would be really good with. I'm gonna give these an 8 out of 10. Next on our Taste Test Tuesdays, we're gonna be trying these root vegetable chips from Trader Joe's. So in here we have a variety of vegetables, it looks like. Lots of different colors and textures. I'm going to try what looks like a white sweet potato, possibly. Now this is a good snack. This is crunchy, it's savory, it's salty, it has everything you want in a chip. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to like and subscribe. This is Taylor Schneider, your lead sports dietitian here at Recover. Remember, better recovery, better performance, and we out.